Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video I'm going to show you how you can display your battery percentage on your Android phone. Okay, here as you can see that my battery percentage hasn't appeared right here, so I'm going to show you how we can display the battery percentage. First of all, we can tap on the settings application to open it, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the notification setting. Tap on the notification setting, and on this notification setting you have to select advanced settings. Okay, and here you can show your battery percentage. You just need to click on this toggle button, and okay, now my battery percentage has been displayed on my screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can display battery percentage on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.